Debuted these, yes.
This is like the coolest thing ever, okay? It really is. It's got amazing capacity. You get 4 of these snack trays, and it's less than $20. It's like the steal of the show at $4 on a credit card. Huge capacity,
Yes.
beautiful shape. It kind of reminds me of like the boxes,
Yeah,
right?
exactly. We did a whole kind of throwback nostalgia to even some of those like popcorn containers. This is like perfect for your hot dogs, perfect for your corn on the cob, all of those great things that you want to have a nice reservoir for. They're each a quart. So you're going to receive 4 1-quart bakers, servers, whatever you want to use them for. We have them in great patterns, and I'm going to not drive you crazy with this. We'll just cancel that. We'll get there in a minute.
There you go.
And we have, right there.
Okay.
We even have it in white woodland, so we tried to bring in all of those great colors.
So right over here, I've already been told we have a bunch of updates.
Okay, I'm going to be quiet.
This one over here is our patriotic. And I want to show you, look at the inside.
I just saw it's $20.
As the outside. I mean, yeah.
This is unbelievable.
Yeah, they're $5 each. This is crazy. Wow. How many do we have in the patriotic? 300 in the patriotic. There's your doodle do, which again, we were showing you, and then they also have that design on the inside. Fewer than 550 to go around there. This is your woodland white. This is the one that I would say buy like 10 sets.
I'm shocked that there's any left.
Literally buy 10 sets. How many do we have? Fewer than 200 to go around. Then we have over here floral lace. If you want floral lace in the gray, 160 to go around. In the black, 250. In the blue, that's very, very popular, fewer than 600. Red, 425. Then we have in the classic or old world, there is your green, 120. Old world in the blue, 150.
Wow.
And then old world in the confetti, 400. Okay, 85812. Wait a minute, I'm being told to go back to white woodland over here. We have 100 remaining.
Whoa.
I might as well just bring it up.
Do you want to bring them up? Yeah.
And show it to you. Oh, it's gone.
Oh, wow.
All right.
And just like that. So are you wondering what you can do with it?
Yes.
So look what we did here.
Oh,
we
I love
layered this inside a 13x9 baker. So 3 of them will fit across. Most of us have a 13x9 baker. We put a little ice on the bottom.
Yeah.
And now we can keep our potato salad, our coleslaw, all of those mayonnaise-based salads nice and cold. Remember, these are a quart each. So you're getting 4 1-quart bakers.
They look even
incredible,
bigger.
Right?
They look even bigger.
And then now
really.
they can become your mini loaf pans if you wanted to. Look what we did. We baked like a little pound cake inside here. You can do ice cream sundaes in here. You can put your corn on the cob in here. Like you, do it. You can have so much fun with these, whether it's hot, whether it's cold, whether it's appetizers. The fact that something is on clearance from Temp-tations means we are retiring it. We will not do this set again. So this is definitely something, if you want to add it in to your dinnerware sets, it makes such a nice addition.
How about
little nachos.
this? You know, we've got the burnt ends coming up from Corky's a little bit later. That with just a little corn on the cob, and you've got everything feels more special.
You're right. Yes.
Right? Everything feels more special. And you know what? When I was a kid, I always wanted like my own everything, right? So right over here, you're doing everybody gets their own nachos.
Right? Or Taco Tuesday, right? You can put some tacos inside here. Love this for an app, right? Cold shrimp cocktail.
Oh, I like that.
Remember, you can chill these ahead of time. So now bring this out. It's like the silhouette of a banana boat, but so much more elegant.
And instead of going to the boardwalk, bring the boardwalk home.
To you. Yes, please.
And do it at a better price, right? Look at this.
This price is insane.
$19.98. It really is. All right, over 1,000 orders placed.
Thank you, everybody.
If you want yours, now's your chance to get them. These are not coming back. Patriotic, only 200 remain. If you want Doodle Do, 350 remain in the Doodle Do. Come on over here, I will show you the floral lace in gray, 100, floral lace in black, 180, in the cobalt blue, 450, in the red, 330, and then these are your old world in green, 5 dozen, blue, 100, and then confetti, 280 to go around. All right, Tara,
love this.
Go enjoy your anniversary.
Oh, thank you so much. I'm glad I got to spend some of it with you, my friend.
I love you so much.
Love you guys. Thank you so much.
All right, so listen, Ed, we love you.
Yes, love you, honey. Happy
all right,
anniversary.
so listen, don't go anywhere. We're going to take a very quick break. When we come back, we have more shopping for you. Oh, the ice maker? Do we have any left?
I might stay.
Oh, okay. And then this tumbler still coming up in the show. You get a set of 2 at the lowest price we've ever offered it. It's all happening right after this. Stay with us.